what's gone wrong at Baytex? Why are you on the hook for it?
Yeah, why am I on the hook for it? So we no longer own it. We can touch on that.
You sold it?
We did.
Oh, gosh.
Part of the reason was we had...
Is that breaking news? Have you told anyone?
Might be. I think that is breaking news.
Breaking news. Eric Nuttall sold his Baytex.
So we trimmed some in December. We needed tax losses because we had, for a mutual fund, when you've realized gains, you have to pass it on to your unit holders. So by year end, you have to do your best to mitigate that tax consequence for your unit holders. It was one of the names where we had a loss. So we did trim it. We sold the last of it. We've had, last year, the fund was fine, but we did lag our index, which is our primary benchmark. And my view at the time, things have improved a little here, but if you remain in a sentiment challenge tape, where there's an absence of meaningful buying, if you have a name that is underperformed, like will the winners keep winning, will the losers keep losing? And so the backstory in Baytex was you had a company under a new CEO, Eric Grieger, very dynamic guy, good vision, what he wants to do with it. They increased their exposure in the Eagle Ford, which is a play in the United States. They thought they were getting it at a very discounted price. And at the time, it was viewed that the person that held the assets were drilling really crummy wells. My partner is a geologist. He spent a lot of time with their technical team. He flew down to Houston, met with them. And our view was the quality of the asset was much better than what the market believed, and they got a steal. In exchange for them buying that acreage, they issued stock to a private equity company. And one of my bigger lessons in life has been be very cautious when there are these large overhangs. Like Tamarack Valley was another name of ours where they were executing, but there was just constant wall of stock coming to the market. And so for Baytex, you've got now a private equity guy that owns just over 10%. Our view was, is it going to be sentiment challenge tape? Maybe, maybe not. They're executing Baytex. They're doing what they told us they would do, but the stock continued to suffer. And I have other names where there's more visible catalyst to drive a re-rating.